Fast law lesson, 7 fatal mistakes that void judgments, in 60 seconds. 1. The state gets a mandatory 90-day notice. Rush it and the decree is void. 2008, SCMR 1577. 1. Fraud destroys proceedings. A deceitful win is null. Limitation doesn't run on a void order. PLD 2019 SC 504. 1. Transactions with Pardonasheen women require proof of free informed consent. Otherwise undue influence is presumed. 2016 SCMR 862. 1. Temporary injunctions need the triple test. Prima facie, irreparable loss. Balance of convenience, PLD 2014 Karachi 1. 1. Courts must notice limitations suo motu. Delay won't be excused by mere negligence. 2014 SCMR 1222. 1. Missing a necessary party. The decree is void for non-joinder. 2015 SCMR 615. 1. Financial writings need proof of execution. 2 attesting witnesses required, otherwise inadmissible. PLD 1996 SC 256. Subscribe for more precedents at Karamat 63.